Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You will start by ensuring the access file is accessible and backed up. Make a copy now. Generate or obtain a strong key using your chosen tool. AES 256 is a safe default. Then store the key securely in a hardware token or KMS. Once done, set strict file system permissions so only your account can read the file. Make sure to note key rotation policy and any passphrase you create, because losing the key means losing access irreversibly. Now perform the encryption step. Run the encryption command with authenticated mode to prevent tampering, for example AES 256 GCM with a unique Roman 4 per file. Provide the key or reference the KMS managed key, and make sure the command writes both ciphertext and the authentication tag to the output. After encryption, confirm the ciphertext size and file hash match expectations. This helps detect mistakes. Finally, remove the unencrypted copy. Finish by testing decryption immediately using the stored key or KMS permission to ensure the access file recovers correctly. Once verified, enforce automated backups of the ciphertext and a documented rotation schedule for keys. Make sure audit logs capture who accessed keys and when. If something goes wrong, first check file permissions and verify you used the correct key and Roman 4. Also inspect the authentication tag for corruption. If Roman 4 reuse occurred, consider re-encrypting with a fresh key to restore security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.